In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-enroll users into Learndash courses using the Groups Plus Group Courses, Enroll by Group Membership feature. This is an incredibly efficient way to manage your learning platform, ensuring that users get the educational content they need without unnecessary manual work on your part. Let's start by understanding the basic concept here. In Learndash, groups are a powerful feature that allows you to organize your learners into clusters. This is particularly useful if you're managing a larger learning environment with varied content. By organizing users into groups, you can assign courses to these clusters without having to enroll each individual learner manually. This enhances not only the ease of management, but also ensures that every user gets instant access to all relevant learning materials as soon as they join the group. The first thing you need to do is determine what courses should be associated with a particular group. Think of a group as a classroom. Each classroom can have its own set of courses designed specifically for the needs of that group. Once you've decided this, go into your Learndash dashboard and navigate to the Groups section. Here, you'll find options to either create a new group or edit an existing one. If you're setting one up for the first time, choose the Add New option, and if you're assigning courses to an existing group, select that group from the list. Inside the group settings, you will see a section dedicated to courses. This is where you'll assign which courses should be automatically available to members of this group. You simply select the courses you want from the list and add them to the group. Once you're satisfied with your selections, save the settings to confirm the changes. Now, when a user is added to this group, they'll be automatically enrolled in the associated courses. This means there's no need for you to go into each user's profile to enroll them manually, saving you loads of time and reducing the margin for error. A key tip here is to continuously evaluate which courses should be included in each group to ensure they align with your evolving educational goals. This system is dynamic. As new content is developed, you can always revisit the group settings to update the courses associated with them, ensuring that your users are always accessing the most current and relevant learning material. Implementing groups in Learndash not only automates the enrollment process, but also enhances the user experience by ensuring that learners can immediately dive into their educational journey with all the right resources available at their fingertips. By following these steps, you can effortlessly manage multiple courses and groups, allowing you to focus more on creating impactful learning experiences. That's all for today's guide on efficiently using Learndash groups for automatic course enrollments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.